Welcome to this module on derivation of the centroid of a triangle provided the vertices of the triangle is given. Let us consider a triangle ABC with vertices ax1y1, bx2y2 and cx3y3. First of all, we should know what is a centroid. In a triangle, the point of intersection of the medians. If in triangle ABC, AD is a median to side BC, BE is a median to side AC, and CF is a median to side AB, then the point of intersection or concurrence of these three medians is called the centroid of the triangle. You should be knowing what is orthocenter, incenter, circumcenter. Centroid is also one such point. This centroid has another property that the centroid divides each of the medians in the ratio 2:1. AD is divided by the centroid in the ratio 2:1. BE is divided by the centroid in the ratio 2:1. Again, CF is divided by the centroid in the ratio 2:1. So in this case also, in our case also, G is the centroid which lies on the median AD and it divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Now why did I take only one median? Even if I choose this median, centroid is still a point on it, right? So it divides BE in the ratio 2:1. So in this case, I have chosen AD and the centroid, which we have named as G, divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Now we have to find the coordinates of point G, right? G divides in the ratio 2:1. That means the ratio into which a point divides a line is M1 is to M2. So in our case, M1 is to M2 is 2:1. That is AG ratio GD is 2:1. Fine. Now we have to find the x coordinate and the y coordinate of G. Now x coordinate of a point which divides in the ratio M1 is to M2 is given by M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, right? M2 plus M1 or M1 plus M2. Fine. Now in this case, x coordinate of G will be equal to, what is M1 here? M1 is 2. 2 into x1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. M1 x2. x2 is x2 plus x3 by 2. x2 plus x3 by 2. Plus, this is M1 x2. Now we need M2. M2 is 1 into x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now what is this equal to? 2 gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. So this is equal to x2 plus x3 plus x1 by 2 plus 1. Or can we write it as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So the x coordinate of the centroid is sum of all the x coordinates divided by 3. Now we have to find the y coordinates of the centroid. Y coordinates of the centroid. To get the y coordinates of the centroid, we use the formula y coordinate equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now let us see what is the y coordinate of G. Y coordinate of G is equal to m1, 2 into y2, 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 2 plus 1. You know what this is? This is m1 y2, m2 y1. So here also 2 gets cancelled, right? So this is y2 plus y3 plus y1 by 3, or same as this, sum of all the y coordinates by 3. Therefore, coordinates of the centroid are sum of all the x coordinates divided by 3 and sum of all the y coordinates divided by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3.